Nice! Woohoo! Oh ho ho, there it is. Cool Dragonite card, bro. Could be wrong, but I think there's actually 2 promos in here. Oh yeah, there is. Sick. There's some codes on the back of this her Pokemon Go. And in total, there should be 9 packs. Let's check it out. Yep, looks like 9 to me. Cool. And of course our premier ball that's included.
At 7 o'clock, something would happen to me that it would change. Like, go from being a dad, husband, and all that shit, to the read, a murderer, and all that other comedy stuff. So sharp with the sword, you know what I'm saying? 7 o'clock, you start thinking about new things, you know, the toilet paper, fucking, you know, all this shit. You write it down, you take a shower, and have my process. I do a 4-shot express, I do 2.
Nice, nice.
Good.
If
I was gay,
yeah, but I always knew, Joe, your thing was always that
gay,
come from everything.
I would be leading the parade, covered in feathers.
You were like a loving guy.
Just waving that rainbow flag.
You gotta get through you. And then you were a really loving guy. But there was this like bridge you had to cross. But I knew a lot of people like you. I knew people like you. No, not as funny as you, but I knew people that were like brilliant but crazy in the sort of same sort of way. And it was always the same thing. It was always like their childhood was
Nice.
What are you doing?
Woohoo!
Should stand in their way.
It is very easy for you to be a hero. All you need are honesty, empathy, respect, and open-mindedness.
I'm glad if today spurred social change. That's part of my job as regional manager.
Another one. Okay. Wow. Very nice. Wow.
Look at all those chickens.